I need help right away. A large elephant is trapped under a fallen tree in the jungle. It's badly hurt. I need help right away.
Please, I need animal security rescue immediately. I have an elephant down in the jungle. It's breathing heavily. Please hurry. Please hurry. Please, listen to me. The elephant is down. We need help right now. Check the breathing rate now. Pulse is steady, looks good.
Let's get the vitals recorded.